Hi, good morning again, Uveka. Well, it was a sunny Sunday over much of South Africa, but thunderstorms really flared up over Gauteng. In fact, we saw lots of rainfall over a very short period of time. Here's a picture of a swimming pool with more than 30 millimeters of hard rain falling in a very short period of time, and that was south of Johannesburg, and rain in Roodepoort as well. Now, here on our satellite, you'll see those big thunderstorms affecting Gauteng late in the evening, and they also spread through to Mpumalanga and Limpopo, bringing in some good rainfall amounts there. But at the start of the week, you'll see a bit of cloud over the central and eastern interior, with a predominantly dry start to the day, other than a few thundershowers already starting up over the southwestern part of Limpopo. Cloudy at first over the northeastern parts, quite a bit of fog all along that escarpment, and you'll see mostly clear conditions over the western part of South Africa with a warm afternoon in store. And our cloud and rain forecast shows that thunderstorm activity over the central, northeastern and eastern parts, with most of the thunderstorms expected all along the eastern escarpments as well as into the Free State. In fact, we're forecasting up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms along the escarpments as well as into the Free State, with isolated thundershowers into Gauteng as well as the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal. A very slight possibility that thundershowers will extend all the way through to the coastline. They say Weather Service have issued a watch of the possibility of severe thunderstorm development. We could potentially see some large hail and damaging surface winds over parts of the Free State as well as northwest. And they've also issued a high fire danger warning over the Northern Cape. Here's a look at your weather forecast in detail across South Africa at the start of the week. You'll see that temperatures still stay warm over the northeastern parts. 26 degrees for Johannesburg, 28 for Pretoria. A slightly cooler day for northwest, Mahikeng topping 32. Quite cloudy with a possibility of rain over the eastern parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, with highs in the middle and upper 20s. Thunderstorms settle in over the Free State as well as the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal. 31 for Welkom, Bloemfontein and Ladysmith, Pietermaritzburg at 28, 32 as we head towards Bishu and Komani, with a warm day as we head towards the coastline, with most maximum temperatures heading into the upper 20s. Easterly winds are forecast from Durban all the way through to East London, with a light southeaster for Richards Bay and a moderate southeasterly wind for Port Elizabeth, with a 1.5 metre south-southeasterly swell. Still hot over the interior parts of the Western and Eastern Cape, with maximum temperatures heading comfortably into the 30s. You'll see a warm and mostly sunny day as we head towards the coastline, with a light to moderate southeasterly wind between Jeffreys Bay and Cape Agulhas, and a fresh southerly wind for Muizenberg and Hermanus, both in the mid-20s, with a 3.5 metre south-southwesterly swell with a very long wave period of 18 seconds. Sizzling hot for Uppington at 41, possibly a few thundershowers into Colesberg at 31 degrees, and Calvinia at 35. A fresh southwesterly wind is expected into Lambert's Bay, with a fresh southerly wind for Cape Town, Langebaan and Alexander Bay, with a 3.5 metres southerly to southwesterly swell, and that's also a very long wave period of almost 20 seconds into the afternoon. Our extended forecast for Tuesday shows that warm summery weather continuing across the country, with thunderstorms mainly over the central and northeastern parts. Cloud moves in along the east coast with the possibility of rainfall, and we're expecting cooler weather and some rain over the southern parts. It'll be a similar day for KwaZulu-Natal on Wednesday, with cloudy and wet weather in the forecast, so the combination of showers and thundershowers. Slightly cooler there though, but with temperatures still in the 20s, and you'll see thunderstorms expected over the central and southern interior as well as all the way through to the northeastern part. Still partly cloudy and warm in the west though. That's all from the Weather Centre. I'll be back with updates again a bit later on.